Greetings, my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you all the experiential outcomes of kitchen gardening, maintaining it, and harvesting it. At the very first, I would like to express my gratitude. There is a famous saying named gratitude is the catalyst for happiness. Yes, of course, gratitude is always the positive catalyst for happiness. It renders the growth of happiness within you. So, always express gratitude in all your actions. To be the first part, I would like to extend my gratitude to the Divine Almighty for all the blessings that my kitchen garden has grown well. And secondly, Divine doesn't go by divine. It is by mankind that we get support from Divine. That is, it is through Mr. Ramesh Anna, Mr. Jaiprakash Anna, and Mr. Vignesh. They all helped from the very beginning till the plantation, harvest, and buying the samplings. Everything they supported me very well. So thank you very much for all. Going forward, I'll explain the learnings what are all into which I've extracted from this video. Thank you. And friends, it is time to review the balance sheet of our kitchen gardening. The balance sheet where I didn't focus on the economy of it generated, whereas the analogical things that have been learned from the kitchen gardening is to be mentioned. There are four major points that will be listed one by one and explained by me. First one is the internal drive and the satisfaction. Each and every day there will be an internal drive where, for example, you say you have to water the plants 2 days once, you have to clean the floor level of the plants, you have to remove the stones, and you have to remove the weeds and all. Internally you will have the push to work on it, and the satisfaction as soon as you complete every single point of work to the plant or to the leaves, or by removing the unwanted leaves, you'll get some satisfaction. You'll feel that, you'll relish it. So internal drive and satisfaction are major things that you can gain from the kitchen gardening. Second one is prevention is better than cure. This proverb, in our olden days we used to learn this proverb, but experimentally, analogically with the day-to-day life, I've seen here. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention of getting the disease into inborn plant diseases into the plant is better than curing it. I understood from it, for which I've used organic medicines to prevent all the inborn diseases. The third one is the commitment to time and money. Here comes the major aspect of time and money, where no one can equalize with other one's time and money. This time you spend here is very valuable. You can allocate, you can schedule your time in order to work in the garden, and then you can make it. Money comes where in the investment. My expenditure says only for the investment and for the watering what I have spent. More than that, I have not done anything, because working, I don't want to mention it as my expenditure. It is all an investment to my gardening. So the last one is the sharing the utmost joy. You can relish sharing the utmost joy of everything. There is nothing more than relishing the joy of sharing, because when my tomatoes and brinjals grown up very well, I just gave it to all my neighbors. I can give you confirmation that more than 12 sets of grocery baskets in all the kitchens have been served with our vegetables, that is our tomatoes and brinjals. And it gives me a very blissful meaning of making this kitchen gardening a wonderful happiness. Thank you all. And friends, it is time to explain you a very famous saying rendered to me by my academic professor. That is good luck. What is good luck? Everyone said that I had a very good luck getting all these plants harvested well. Okay, right. It is okay. But nature gives good luck for everyone. From where does nature give good luck? What is good luck? That is being explained to me by my academic professor. Good luck is equal to opportunities plus preparation. Whereas the preparation part I have done it, and opportunities to grow well and yield well, nature has given to me. So always good luck is with everyone, provided we follow the equation. Good luck is equal to preparation plus opportunities. And friends, at the most, it is my pleasure to share with you all the 6 videos that I have made with the kitchen gardening, and this closure video also. After seeing all these videos, I kindly request you all to plan for your minimal kitchen garden, even it is going to be one plant or two plant. There is nothing in number. I want you to involve in gardening and enjoy the benefits and relish the harvesting benefits, everything. And thank you all. Thank you very much.